If the Stanford experiment doesn't bother you, here's one that might. The Monster Study in 1939 that experimented on 22 orphans from an orphan's home in Iowa. The purpose was to prove that stuttering was a learned behavior as opposed to being biological. The children, aged from 5 to 15, were divided into two groups. The first group were composed of both children who stuttered and those who didn't. This group was given nothing but positive reinforcement, being told their speech was fine. Not so much for the second group, who didn't stutter, but were told their speech was horrible, and were told to never speak unless they could speak perfectly. Of course, the only outcome of this experiment is that the children in the negative group ended up suffering lifelong consequences.